walking along and she wondered. La 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 la. Fly with the beautiful blue sky. I wonder why is the sky is blue? Hey, I might go to ask my friend and ask why is the sky blue. La 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 la. So Daphne went to visit her friend Harry the dog. Oink oink. Hey, do you know why the sky is blue? Hey, I have a wandering song. Something can help when I am wandering. You wanna sing it?
Wonder, wonder, why the sky is blue. I wonder, 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 do you wonder too? So much to wonder, wonder all day long. So much that's wonderful, and so I sing this song.
So let's go to Kitty the cat. He knows why the sky is blue. So Harry and Daphne stand out to visit Kitty the cat. Hi Kitty. Hey Kitty, why is the sky is blue? Meow meow, it's easy. It's because it's because blue is my favorite color. I love them. Meow 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 meow. Interesting, but pink is my favorite color when the sky is pink. Not totally like that. Maybe should ask Olivia the bunny. She knows lot of things. So Harry the dog and Daphne the pig and Kitty the cat went to Olivia the bunny. Hi Olivia. Oh, you wake me up. I was dreaming about the carrot. Hey Olivia, do you know why the sky is blue? I wonder why is the sky... Oh, we have a wandering song. Would you like to sing with us?
I wonder, 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 why the sky is blue. I wonder, 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 do you wonder too? So much to wonder, wonder all day long. So much that's wonderful, and so I sing this song.
Oh my god!
The sky is blue because of an explosion at a blue paint factory!
Whoa! An explosion? Are you sure?
Oh, of course, I'm sure. Oh, well, maybe not. Maybe I'm not so sure. I know. We need to ask the sun. She lives in the sky, so she's bound to know. Excuse me, sun.
Oh, hello there. How can I help?
We have a question. Why is the sky blue?
Well, many clever people wonder about this. When my sunbeams of light travel through the air to you, the air scatters my light, and this is what makes it look blue.
Wow! The air what makes looks blue?
Yep. And besides, blue goes very nicely with the clouds.
Hooray! We solved the problem of why the sky is blue!